Cats silent ninjas with a PhD in cute. Let's decode their secret life. Did you know cats can make over 100 different sounds? Yup, and each one is a secret code to communicate with you. When it comes to food, our little predators prefer their meals served at the body temperature of their prey. That's why room temperature tuna gets that slow blink of approval. Now, sleeping. Cats are the undisputed champions of sleep, clocking in up to 16 hours a day. Why? Because all that cuteness needs recharging. And those random sprints around the house at 3 a.m.? Just their way of burning off the extra Z's. But how do cats show love? If your cat brings you a dead mouse or flashes their belly, congratulations! You're officially in their circle of trust. And those gentle head bumps? That's your kitty giving you a feline high five. So, next time your cat stares at you from across the room, remember, they're just checking if you're still worthy of their affection. Spoiler, you always are.